Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Welcome back to the bench. Figured I'd make a nice little pipe video today. And today we're going to be reviewing Boswell's Cupcake. And that's what's going on at Noah's house. Alright guys, how you doing? How was your day? I'm recording this on a Saturday evening. I had a long day in the garden. It is toward the end of March. Usually, this is a video that's kind of going along with Mutton Chop Piper. He does a thing called Blend Club. If you don't know what Blend Club is, please check him out and explain it. It's pretty cool. I'll leave a link for Mutton Chop Piper down over that way. But he puts his videos out. This is the March tobacco, so he'll put his video out in the beginning of April, which is usually when I stick a video out. But the thing is, and I noticed the other day, there's not much tobacco left out of my 2 ounces. So I thought, I better make a video before I go smoking through all of this. And today, we're reviewing Cupcake. Now, this is an aromatic blend from Boswell's in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. And let me tell you, I think it's awesome. Side note, this is my second take of this video because, pardon me, this microphone here apparently needs charged. So it recorded like my intro, a little bit of me talking, and then about 10 minutes of this. So I just looked back at it and was like, oh, you've got to be kidding me. So anyways, this is going to be take 2. Like I said, we're smoking Cupcake, and I'm smoking it out of my Blakemore Briars pipe from England, a pipe that I've really grown to really like. It smokes great, it looks great, and I'm still breaking it in, but I do try to smoke it a good bit, get it in the rotation. I've been making some pipe stands, which I think I was going to put a video out about my pipe stands. But anyways, the char light is definitely done. Smoked down a bowl a little bit, but I don't smoke a lot of aromatics. I did when I first started smoking pipes, which I think everybody does. The cherries, vanillas, the thick, this is bourbon bacon flavor. I really don't know. They burn real hot. They usually burn your mouth. A lot of condensation, a lot of gurgling in your pipes. And I bought some. I tried to blend some together to make them better, and I didn't like them. As I've gotten a little more advanced in my smoke and I slowed down my cadence, I've smoked different blends of tobaccos. Honestly, I couldn't tell you what my favorite style of tobacco is because I really don't have one. I like a lot of different ones. What I usually do now, what I've been doing, is usually on Monday when I come home, I'll pick 3 blends. I'll bring down an aromatic, an English, and some type of a Virginia blend, like a vapor or something like that. Put them on the bench back here. This is where I do my smoking, especially in the winter. And that's what I smoke through during the week. Depending on my mood, I have 3 to pick from. I have, I want some Oriental, I want some smoky, some Laquita. However you say that, Laquita, I've heard it. Anyways, but that way I have 3. And this Cupcake, well, I like it. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's smooth. It's not hot. It doesn't burn. It doesn't get your tongue. Usually smoking a pipe. I only smoke a pipe in the evenings when I come home from work. But on the weekends, I'll get up and I'll have a pipe earlier with my coffee when I come down and start doing stuff around the house. And 9:30, 10 in the morning, this is it's a great first pipe. Oh, and also shaved up a little. I was working in the garden all day, so I was dirty and moving dirt and stuff. And I noticed something in my videos. I was looking at them. I'm always wearing my work clothes. I'm always wearing my work pants and my black sweatshirt that I wear all the time. I don't wear that at work. I wear a sweatshirt that has a logo, but I'm not going to wear that in my videos. And my pants, my work pants, they have a little patch on there. I don't know if anybody's ever noticed that patch or what that patch is shaped like. If you have, comment below. I'm curious to see if anybody knows. But that was from, I had to change my daughter's battery in her car, and I got some battery acid on my brand new work pants, and they got a hole in them. They were brand new, so my wife ironed on, glued on that patch, and she thought it'd be funny to cut it out in that shape. Like I said, if you know what that shape is, put it in the comments below. It'd be funny if anybody's noticed. But tonight, oh, showered up, trimmed the beard up, looking good in some clothes other than work clothes. The book. All right, so this is my notes for Blend Club for March. Boswell's Cupcake. This is the March Blend Club selection with mutton chop piper. It is an aromatic blend. I bought 2 ounces. It is $3.75 per ounce. Also about Boswell's, you can buy anything online. It's a great place. They have tons of house blends. They even put their blends in tins, but I just buy in bulk. But if you do buy in bulk, it's a minimum 2 ounce. Even if you're ordering 10 different blends, each blend has to be 2 ounces. They won't sell just 1 ounce of each blend. But everybody has their rules, and it's not bad. Shipping's great. Like I said, I live about 3 hours away, so I get it in a couple days, like 2 days. Okay, so my first bowl, I was smoking out of my Peterson system pipe. I was drinking a glass of iced tea, and I also had a diet beer. Simply a beer with low carbs, low calories, and a little to no taste. But when you want a beer, you know, I want to have a beer after work. I'm not going to drink something crazy heavy. Anyways, opening up my initial smell, cake batter, flour, sweet flour, burnt sugar. It truly smells like a cupcake. And like I said, I'm not a big aromatic fan, nor am I a big sweets fan. I don't crave sweets and cupcakes and stuff. But this, the smell, I was stuck in that bag for 5 minutes, going, wow. The color is light and dark brown, dark blacks, typical. The moisture was typical for an aromatic blend, a little more moist. It was very good. And Boswell's does something that the big places, when you're getting tins, and I don't know when their tins were packaged and how long they sat at, you know, smoking pipe shelf or whatever. But when you get your stuff from Boswell's, all 3 blends I've smoked so far, and I just purchased and received the 3 blends for the next 3 months. And they come in a bag, so I put them in a mason jar. The moisture is perfect. I don't know how they do it, but they do a great job at that. All right, the char light was good. It had good flavor just coming right off the char light. And I wasn't getting a lot of sweet, like sick, sweet, you know, thick, sweet flavor, which I like. Burns well, burns cool. No bite so far whatsoever. As I smoked down the bowl further, it started to sweeten up. It started getting some more sweetness. I've said it in videos before, I still do smoke a little fast sometimes. So as I go down in the bowl, I know I'm smoking fast. I'll start getting a little ashy flavor. But this stuff, it chugged right along with me. It did not get hot and burn my tongue. It didn't bite me at all. And I really, really enjoyed it. Like I said, I'm almost through the whole 2 ounces, which, it's about on par, but actually this is more mid-month. I usually have the blends get to the end of the month. All my notes. Oh, just real quick. a little aside, I bought this goofy spaghetti press thing. Makes me up a blend, and I put it in the press on March 10th. Pressed it down, and I'm gonna let it sit for a month, and I'll make a video of popping that little cake out. I don't know what's gonna happen. It's gonna be pretty neat. Oh, there, yeah, I knocked over a jar of tobacco and the jar broke. Just a little bit of tobacco in there that I didn't really like, but I really wanted the jar because it was a wide mouth, and I don't have a lot of those left. Some more notes on my Boswells. I've been smoking through the 2 ounces. It's great. One of my favorite blends. Definitely will buy again. So, honestly, one of my favorite aromatics I've probably smoked so far in my few years of pipe smoking. And like I said, though, I don't buy a lot of aromatics, and I don't smoke a lot of aromatics. But this one, it's just such a great smoke. It's a cool smoke. It has great flavor, great smell, great room note. My wife is the one who gives me the heads up on the room notes. You know, there's some English blends that I've smoked, and she's like, "What are you smoking down there? Leaves?" Kinda. Now, smoking out of my Peterson, I smoke most of the aromatics out of my Peterson because the system pipe is great for it if it is real moist. Catches it in a reservoir, makes it for a better smoke. But this stuff, Cupcake, I've smoked out of several different pipes, and each and every one of them smoked fine, smoked perfect. I still can't believe I recorded that whole last video and the microphone wasn't working. If you guys have watched some of my videos, you know how I was paranoid. I didn't do it this time. I was like, I'm not going to do it. It always works. Turns out, it didn't work. Good cup of coffee. It's great. So, as Mutton Chop Piper does it, and I'll leave a link for him below if I didn't say that already. I'll leave a link for Blake Briars. Definitely go check them guys out. From England, shipping's reasonable, and they make beautiful, beautiful pipes. And for Boswell's, yeah. Boswell's doesn't have a huge internet presence, but they do have a nice website. It has all their tobaccos listed and categories and what they have. Every Monday, they usually put out 2 pipes that are beautiful pipes. I don't have one yet. They're bigger, and I really want one. Just haven't got up to steam to get one of those yet. But do watch Mutton Chop Piper. Subscribe to his channel. He's a great guy. In his reviews, he always does. You can put your little review what you like, and you can do it with emojis. And, you know, 1 to 5. 1, you hate it. 5, best ever. I'm probably never going to give anything ever a 5 that I've found. But like I said, I don't really have a favorite blend just yet, or a favorite style. I've really been getting into Autumn Evening, which they say is an aromatic, but I don't really think it is. I had some Dark Fired Kentucky I was smoking the other day and couldn't stand it. So, I don't know. But doing this, doing the emojis, and here in the shop, I like to give matchsticks. I'm going to give this 4 matchsticks. And I know I always give everything, but everything's been good so far. The next 3 blends are in. I smelled them. There's one a little sketchy about. And I think, personally, at the end of the 12 months, end of the year, after smoking through all 12 blends, I'm going to make a video and talk about all the blends. And I'm going to pick my favorite Boswell's blend. But Cupcake, for me, this is a definite reorder. I liked Honey Roast. I liked Countryside. But the Cupcake, I want this in my rotation. Definitely. If you're sipping on it, it's got such a great flavor. But that's my review for Boswell's Cupcake. Hope you guys are having a good day, a good evening, a good weekend, a good week. Because I don't know when you're going to watch this video or when it's going to come out. But hey, Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share it around, comment down below, especially on the patch on my pants. It'll make you go back and look at some videos and look at that patch. I think 110 subscribers. Thank you so much as when I'm recording this. And hey, that's all I got for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you.